So this goes in the same line. So they sent you an email, you got an invite to their Google form to be an editor. You need to share this with somebody. So say you created an exam, you want to share it with a friend so that they can use it for their virtual battle assembly or whatever the case may be. But there's no file button up in the top right corner. What the hell is going on? So there's 3 little dots way over here. The send button. So you click send. Bottom of send says collaborators, and then you'll have your groups so that you can click whoever you want to be the editor, and then you just share. Then, so like for me, I was just sharing it with one of my other accounts. So then you go to 3 dots, and right here is make a copy. So we make a copy. Frustratingly, they did not create it like they did with everything else, which makes me sad panda, because then that means that that's just a little bit more work for me, and it's not casualties. They're not really. Maybe they are casual. I mean, who knows? So we're gonna do Google Drive, Classroom, VBA. So now I changed these from last time. So here it's yellow. So that's the slide. And then here you go. There's another example right there. So that is what we're looking for. Here's the slide. Here's the form. Boom. So yeah, just pop in right there. Boop. Here's the slide. Here's the form. Here's the slide. Here's the form. Here's the slide. Too easy. All right. There's that one. We're going to do a lot more on quizzes. But these are just little snips. So, all right. New bout. Oop.